the backs. Oh shoot. I know, right? Ow. What's up, y'all? It's Faith and I'm back again with another video. And as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be doing a ring light unboxing. I have already unboxed it, but I did not like the way the intro came out. So yeah. So before you make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and come Renee, baby, because it's the Renee way or no way, and that's a what, that's on period. And make sure you turn those notification bells on so you can be able to upload the videos. And let's get to the video. I'm Renee, babes. It's me, Faith, and I'm back again with another video. So I put y'all right here because I didn't like the way it looked up there. So we're gonna open it right now. I've got a knife and yeah. So I got this ring light, cost me like $20-something, $21. And instead of getting the 10-inch, I got the 8-inch, and I didn't realize that until like yesterday, and it was already shipped. I just didn't feel like canceling it and waiting like to get my money back and stuff. It takes like 3 days. Usually for me, it takes 3 days to get my money back from Amazon, even though I've only canceled one order, but I just didn't feel like waiting, so I just went ahead and kept the 8-inch one, and then I just like, you know, whenever I am tired of this one, I'll get another one. And yeah, it's out. Kind of heavy. This is the box. Like I said, I got an 8-inch instead of a 10-inch, and I didn't realize that it was options at the bottom. I thought that it said, like when I clicked it, it said 10-inch, but you have to switch to the 10-inch, and I just got the 8-inch because I thought that's all it was. But then when I had checked my order to realize what it was not that at all. So I was like, man. But it's fine because you guys won't see how small it is, and I'll just need a better light than I use. So it comes with this stuff, I guess. This bag with a selfie light. And why do I need that when I got that? But okay. It gave me another selfie light. Thank you. This is the bag. Oh, this is cute. This is nice. This is the bag that's supposed to go in, I guess, and whatever the heck this is. And oh, wait a minute. Yeah, and this is the ring light. Like I said, I got an 8-inch instead of a 10-inch, so it's gonna be small. Oh. So this is how small it is. I don't really know what to do. I'm kind of confused. So it's supposed to come. Oh, I was gonna say, wait, where's the stick? It's supposed to come with a stick. I was gonna get mad, bro. This is the stick. It extends to 50 inches. So let's open everything, I guess, and get into it. So the first thing I'm gonna open is this thing so I can hurry up and put it back in here once I open it. Small little thing. I'm guessing it smells like pickle. Well, not pickle, but I don't know. I'll leave a link to this in the description box if you want this. I personally don't know what this is. I guess because it's like a cheap one, but it's fine. This is big, like, but I guess it's for everything else. But I'm not gonna be keeping in boxes, so I don't really know what that's for. Yeah, let me go ahead and put this on. I think I can work with that. I don't know what the heck. What is this for? What is this? Is it supposed to go here? Why? What is this for? I don't know. I don't know. Let me insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like set up. So whatever this is. I think they gave me, oh, hold on. Okay, so this is a little thing that it came in. I'm not really sure what this was for. Things. Okay, so it says 6 inches, ring lights, wait, blah, 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 blah. Crap stuff. What? Step 1. What? I'm lost, bro. I'm lost as heck. I've been waiting to see this thing. Oh, this is sturdy too. This is not flimsy at all. Oh wait, I think I know how to open this. Let me see before I have to use YouTube. Let me see. Let me see. Please do not break, even though I feel like it's not going. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I was like, I feel like I know how to work this thing. Okay. And you loosen, hold on. You loosen these to like make it taller, and then you like turn it back, and then unloosen. I've watched many videos, so like I know what this is. I realized what it was when I saw. I was like, oh yeah, okay. So, there we go. And then, oh, no. Untwist, and oh, that's actually a nice size. I'm not even gonna lie. This is a nice size, to be honest. Usually, because I sit down, so like it'll be like right here. Did I put? Oh no, I did not put this stuff down correctly. When did I? It's just probably. Oh yeah, cause yeah, it's just maybe because my mom's. Oh my god, my hair. Y'all, I did not have a rubber band on. It pop fried when I was trying to take my band down. So, oh shoot, they gave me 4. Oh god, this is irritating. I'm trying to do a video. Y'all, this video is all over the place, so we just gonna leave it like that. I don't care. We're gonna leave it like that. So this is the things. It comes with these 4 little things. Technically I get 5 because of this one right here, but this one already came on in. I could just like adjust it if I wanted to. Ooh, if I wanted to take this off, I could use those. So that's nice. This Bluetooth thing, I don't really know how to use it. There's a manual in here, but I'm trying to put this together. I did figure out how to put it on, so right now it's on, and it's not on. I have to plug this in, but this is what I got so far. And yeah, this is the ring light. It looks small, but it's actually low-key big. The only thing that's small is this head, which I'm probably gonna get another one because I didn't realize that it was this freaking small. I thought it was a little bit bigger than that, but it's fine. And it's not the one I was trying to get anyways, but this is leaning towards me. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So it's about as tall as me, and I'm 5'3", I believe. I'm 5'3", I think. 4 or 5'3". Yeah, so this is not that small. I don't even know how to work this. How do you turn this on? Oh, wait. Ooh, it's giving me very much. Hold on, let me try to put this on my phone. It's probably not gonna fit because my case is like thick. Oh, it's giving me very much ring light. It's giving me very much ring light. What? This is nice though. I like this small little thing. They gave me this small. It came in a pack. It came in everything. It came with the whole ring light. It was this little thing, and it comes with a little charger and whatnot. And this was actually not supposed to be on there. This was supposed to go. This is like supposed to go. I took a picture of it earlier, and it's probably gonna be on a thumbnail. But this is supposed to go if you want to have more than one like phone or like camera, but I would say phone on the stand at a time. Then you can put this on, and then that's what those multiple little things were for. So yeah, I figured that out and I took it off. And so this is currently what we're looking like. This little thingy thing the thing, it doesn't move back and forth, so I'm good with that. And then we got the little tripod stick. Oh, made a mess everything up. Like I said, this is a bit small. This is a 8-inch, so if you guys were wondering what an 8-inch is, that's an 8-inch. I will no longer get an 8-inch because I thought it was bigger than that, and I didn't even know that was 8-inch. I thought it was a 10-inch, but then when I saw the pictures and it was like, oh, this is an 8-inch, this is an 8-inch, I was like, okay. But this is the 8-inch, and a 10-inch, and 11 and a 12-inch is bigger than that. So I'm gonna try to see if I can purchase like just a regular ring light head, not even a tripod with it, and get a bigger one. But as of right now, this is the one I'm working with, and then I have the smaller one on my phone right now. So I'm gonna go try to plug this up and see what we get, and then I'm going to try to hook this up with hook this Bluetooth up to see if it works or not. It's supposed to this is the instructions with it, and it's supposed to like turn the phone on by itself so that you don't have to get up and try to click it or anything. But I think it just takes pictures. I'm not sure if it does videos or not, but hold on, I put the Android setting on. Hold on, iOS. So it comes with the iOS and the Android, so if you have either one, then you can use it. So this can work for both of my phones. So yeah, I'm gonna go plug it up and see what happens, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm done with that. Okay, y'all, so I'm currently with it off, but let me turn it on. Oh my gosh, I don't even need any other light for this. Y'all do not mind how busted I look, but look. And then it's like it comes with this little thingy thing, and this is the on and off button, and then it goes up and down. So the down button is like this, so you can turn the brightness down. You can dim it down all the way down. And let me see, hold on. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so it's 9. It's 9 to go up and 9 to go down, and then you can switch the color to this color, and this color goes down to, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Well, yeah, I think I double counted. And then the next color is this one, and I like this color. Oh, come look it. I have it on. But this is the little ring light thingy. Let me see if I could dim this down so y'all could see. Okay, this is all the way up here, but this is the thing. It's like a button on the back. So you turn it on, and like you turn it on, then you press the back button to dim it up some. So like 1 2 3 4, and I'm gonna put it back on there. So yeah, this is the ring light. This is a 8-inch ring light. You can't really tell. Let me give you guys a little run through of it again. So basically, if you wanted to know if you got this, if you want to know how to work, you basically have to plug it up. It's a long cord, it's not small. And this is the on and off button. So you turn it on, turn it off. It has a plus button and a minus button, and this dims it. 9 10 9 buttons down, and then this brightens it all the way up, and then this reverse looking button changes it to this color, and then it changes it to this color. So yeah, that's what I want to show you guys. And then this, oh wait, no, I don't like this. I don't really like this one. I think I'll use this one for pictures, but not necessarily me using it for videos. And then this is the other ring light, which I'll probably use at the same time to get a better lighting. And then this one brights up. If you press the back button, it turns off. 1 2 3, and that's how bright it is. And let me see what it looks like with both of them. That's some good light. But there's a little thingy thing, and I didn't use it yet, but I'm gonna see. Hold on, Android, and let me turn my. So this is the little thing, and I just connect to my phone, and basically you I'm not gonna do it because it's gonna cut the video off, but I just cut the video on with this. So yeah, and on. So yeah, let me put a screen recording on so I can show you guys. On, and the video plays, which is, in my opinion, great. So yeah, that's the last thing I want to show you guys. And yeah, so that's basically it. And then I think I could use this as a tripod, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna get a tripod separately. But like I said, that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.